For me, a smile is confidence. You can have the prettiest, most handsome face and with a scowl on, nobody's actually going to speak to you. A smile projects our confidence, that constant connection that we have as humans. Here at Amazing Dental Solutions, our mission is to create amazing times together. Family, barbecues, picnics, smile is a very big part of it. Your ability to eat is a very huge part of it. I started out wanting to be a medical doctor. One of the things that I quickly learned was that there wasn't as much creativity in that. Dentistry was the other option that I'd also looked into. When I shadowed other dentists, it excited me and I wanted to go into dentistry and be able to produce such results for people. We can see you smile. We can see that joy in your face when you look in the mirror the first time. The path for implants happened almost naturally, because one of the biggest things that impacts people's smiles is missing teeth and broken down teeth. In a lot of cases, we can't cover it up with a crown or a veneer. Things have gone too far. So implant dentistry is our next best choice overall. So I got into implant dentistry, learning from the best around so I can do as well as I can in that process. Here at Amazing Dental Solutions, we want you to feel at home, cozy and relaxed and comfortable when you come to speak to us. We know we're trying to get to know you and you're trying to get to know us as well. So we want that to be in a non-clinical environment, somewhere where you feel like you can openly express what you're going through and what you want to get out of this. Because our goal is not judgment. We're here to help you get to where you want to be. Your treatment from the beginning all the way through to the end is done right here at Amazing Dental Solutions. We don't refer you out to other places to get this done and that done. We don't even refer out your case for an outside lab to do it. We do it all right here in-house. It's a huge benefit because you know exactly where you're going. You know how many times you have to be there. You know the outline of your procedure and the process. We're not waiting to see what the cost is with another doctor and what they're gonna do. All our costs are nicely outlined and explained to you all the way till you have your final teeth and you smile and happy again. Seeing my patient smile is one of the things that brought me into dentistry. It is also the thing that keeps me going in dentistry. It's why I get up to come to work in the morning. It's really just to see my patients smile and keep the smile on your face. So if you're looking to get back something you're missing or something you never really had, a great confident smile, come to Amazing Dental Solutions for a complimentary consultation, where we can look at your situation, figure out what best fits you, and give you that confident smile back.